I have news for somebody here. It doesn't matter the obstacle before you. Hear the voice of the Lord. Go forward. That means whatever is trying to stop you is not big enough to stop you. You will go forward. It's important to recognize that when it looks daunting, it looks impossible, it looks menacing, it looks ferocious, it's as if the devil thinks he has gotten you, he wants to stop you. The voice of the Lord is go forward, because you are unstoppable. You say why? You say why? But because greater is he that is in you than every devil that is out there. That's the concept of dominion, my friends. That no matter what happens, I'm going forward. That no matter who is against me, I am going forward. That's why the Bible says you will run through a trip, you will leap over walls, you will bring down the fence of the mighty, you will prevail, you will subdue. Glory to Jesus.